So later we will continue to discuss the further content, not the content within the free classroom. If you want to join Present Live, sure, go ahead. So I will skip the content here. If necessary, you just check. Actually, I count 11. We have 11 video clips lasting around an hour, right? So you can check those video code useful probability distribution. We have 11 video clips. But sorry, I post them late, so perhaps you don't have enough time. But before 4 p.m., if you still want to refer to those videos, feel free to check them. So for all these, I won't repeat. And we have the possible content to check for you, so you can check it later. But let me emphasize one thing. Here we have two categories. And two categories, the first one, this kind, we have positive skewness. It's positive skewness. And this one, we have a negative skewness. All right. So someone like, oh, okay, we have a trend like this one. Right now, I just use the image. Oh, okay, something like this one, skewness, positive skewness, and this one, negative skewness. And how about this? This one, what is a skewness? Skewness is 0. All right. So if I don't have the 3 cases, symmetric. If it is symmetric, then we have 0 skewness, or otherwise we will have a positive or negative skewness. So, based on this one, guess what? Positive or negative skewness? Negative. Raise your hands. Positive. Actually, this one positive skewness. All right. And here we have a lot. And this one, the category here, positive or negative, it's positive. And here, positive or negative, negative. So I just want to mention all these. Symmetry, we have a 0. And as for positive and negative, you can check them. So finally, let me make sure again. Here, the 4 figures, positive or negative skewness. Shashank? Yes, positive or negative. Again, it's positive. So we have a trend, somewhat like this way, and then it's positive. Or otherwise, it's negative. So this one, positive or negative? Yeah, true. That's it. So how you feel it, right? And here, again, positive or negative here. And the middle one, 0, and that one, negative. That's also all I want to emphasize about the skewness. Again here, but think about this. Here, the 2, positive or negative. Here, the 2. negative, 0, and then, yeah. So I just want to emphasize skewness here. So maybe something wrong with the internet. So wait a moment. For all the content I've gone through, actually you can refer to those videos. All right. Of course, I didn't have 2 questions to answer. I think you need to check, and so they will know how to have the answer properly. And you should understand for our activity, if you have answers, even it's wrong, 4 points for each problem, right? You have the answer, even it's wrong, 4 points. But finally, I will select some problem from our activity in the final exam. So of course, you need to understand why, right? Or otherwise, oh, okay, you have the points in the activity, but finally you fail to have the good scores in the final exam, maybe it's still a problem. So of course, you need to know how to have the answers. So that one, activity, so feel free. Even you need to work together, no problem. But you need to find the answer properly, and so they will know the answer. And recently, I tried to have that you have the solution. So that's why last week we should have the answer, but I failed to have enough time to that have the answer. So up to now, the TA cannot that have the records for your activities. All right, because I do not actually. I asked him to have the record, but I failed to let him have the answer. So I will ask him to finish that one quickly. All right, so that's it about that one. Because of the style of the classroom, I just try to emphasize the important thing. Skewness here. As for the others, you can refer to the videos. Maybe you have a question. Positive, negative, check the current recorded video, and also check the video for the free classroom. Then you will have the possible image. Maybe I do not strongly emphasize something, but we have some trend, and that trend should have a positive or negative. And in fact, we have the definition for skewness, but that is a way to have the directly checking the figures.